Welcome to MaeLae User Experience. I'm your host, Michael. We're going to do an introduction into why are we doing the channel and what is MaeLae User Experience. What are we covering? Why? I've always been into technology, whether it's TVs, helping somebody be able to, change from one HDMI to another, doing the, color grading and everything on the TVs to be able to help people get the right picture, whatever. Um, all types of different devices. I've always been a tinkerer with gadgets and all types of different stuff. It's always fascinated me. So I just figured I'm always doing that for somebody on an every single day basis, whether it's a family friend, somebody I don't even know that I run into, and they need their screen enlarged so they can see the words on their screen. I'm always willing to help. So I just figured, you know what? Why not create this channel? I'm going to do some tutorials and different things with Android phones. I'll get into some things with Apple as well. And you might have a family or friend that's always looking to you and looking for you to, hey, how do I do this? How can I do this? How can I get this going? How do I make this better or whatever? And instead of you always having to take your time to be able to show them, if you don't have the time, just send them the video. And in that way, they can watch it anytime that they want when it's their convenience. And then they can get the help that they need. So, help alleviate some things on your plate. But outside of that, I just want to help. You know, help people with their technology, and I enjoy it. The other thing, what is MaeLae User Experience? MaeLae is my family's name. Uh, we're not going to go into that in this video. This is just introduction. That's a whole nother thing with the name. But it's my family's user experience that we're going to talk about when it comes to phones, tablets, video game systems, TVs. I mean, technology, you name it, we use it. Just our spin of what it is that we get the most out of with what we're using. And maybe that's a help for you and your family as well. So we'll go into those things and talk about it in a deeper basis. One of the things I will talk about in this video real quick is one of the focuses that I have is that a lot of things that were marketed to us as consumers, um, it's not always the only capability that that device has specifically. There's other things that when you deep dive into your technology, you can learn more and learn how simple things can make life for you. You know, and the one thing is with the user experience, I've learned through my years of dealing with and working with tech is that you create your own user experience because a lot of times, a lot of companies, they have these teams of people that are, user experience and, they're designers and all that stuff. And there's certain things that they don't understand, that we understand more to our everyday life that helps us be productive and help us, some simple things that we need to be able to do. You know, maybe you're a parent and you're in the kitchen and you're trying to get things ready for dinner and your kids, are waiting on whatever show that you're supposed to put on or whatever, and just having the capability of being able to use your phone, cast it to your TV, and then be able to put that movie on or TV show on real quick that you and your family are going to watch. And it just takes you seconds to do that rather than going to get a remote and trying to go through and thumb through all the different applications that you have and be able to get into that specific movie. You can just do it within seconds. So we'll talk about some different things that may help free up some things for you and, automate some systems for you too with your technology. So um, I said this is an introduction video. I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible. So I just want to thank you all for tuning in and look forward to you guys checking out the next video that we have. And just so you know, the next video that we are going to talk about, we will talk about the Fold 4. Uh, I am looking at two different videos I'm going to do. It's either going to be why the Fold 4 or it's going to be my 6-month review on the Fold 4. So either way, you guys will have a video by the end of this week. And we look forward to you guys, in the comment section, get to know us, get to know you guys and, get to know what tech you're using right now. So take care. Love you. Speak to you soon.